Hi guys, so in this episode we're going to cover how to run an ad campaign to promote a fabric sales, either for wholesale or for retail. So if you're in the fashion industry and you sell fabrics, this video is specifically for you. While for others, you could also leverage on the strategy and the ideas in which we are running this ad campaign. So take note, in the Nigerian market, most persons who sell fabrics are women. Okay, a lot of them are women. So which is why in this particular campaign, we're going to focus more on targeting women. The targeting we're going to do here is not going to be very, very detailed. It's just going to be something loose and maybe one or two um, conditions we're going to set on it. So take note, this particular ad campaign is going to have two ad sets. It's still going to be an engagement objective, but one of the ad sets is going to be for messaging, while the second one is going to be for engagement. So let's jump right straight into the video.
After opening Ads Manager, you switch to your preferred ad account. So we want to use the fashion. Click on See More. So select the ad account and switch into it. Next, we click on Create. So we're going to create a new ad campaign. So let's click on Engagement. Scroll down and click on Continue. So we're going to go for the manual engagement setup. Then we'll click on Continue. So we'll select a name. So we'll call it BG August Fabric. Then we'll scroll down. So this ad is about selling fabrics. It doesn't fall under the special ad category. So click on Next. Okay, so we could also leave this for now. We're going for message objective. Then we're going to change the page. We're using fabric. Then it's going to be an only WhatsApp ad campaign. Okay, let's select WhatsApp and Instagram. That's fine. So we're going to select WhatsApp and Instagram for this particular campaign. So we change this. Okay, let's use 3,000 per day. So we want this ad campaign to start by 8 a.m. Then we set an end date. It's going to be a 1 month campaign. So we're going to edit this. It's still going to be an open targeting. I just want to select some particular stuff. Okay, for the ages, we go for 23. And we're going to focus on females only. Okay, so if I don't see females here, I want to switch to the original targeting. So we edit the language. I want only English speaking people to see this. Okay, then we just switch to original audience. Use original audience so that I can target only females. Okay, only women. So we're going to go for that. So we are good to go. Then we'll click on next. For this particular post, we'll be using an existing post. Or for this particular ad, we'll be using an existing post on the ad level. I'm going to turn off my ad review. So click on the ad setup and select use existing post. So we're going to select the post. So this is Facebook. This is the particular one we want to use. So we click on that and click on continue. So we are going for send WhatsApp message. Okay. So let's use it now. We've already created several templates for this brand. So we're going to use an existing one. Okay, that's perfect. So that's all. We turn off this website event tracker. The campaign is focused on WhatsApp. Okay, so we could check out the ad preview. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this is good. All right, so we're going to duplicate this ad set. We want to do another type of targeting. Very, very interesting and important. So we duplicate this. So I'm going to call it viral. Scroll down. For this one, the conversation location is on the ad. So click on your ad. So we focus more on post engagement, not video views. Yeah, performance go maximum engagement with a post. So we go with the least budget for this one. No end date. We'll leave this one. Maybe I'd like to start by 9. So we want this one to be very open. So I'm going to select all gender. Okay, so we go to the next one. So we select a post. So we're going to select this one still. Then continue. So we're going to use existing. So for this, we could still use this one. Let's just use this one. So it's okay. Okay, so we are good to go. So we can come back here to publish the other one first, just for preference. So click on publish. So click on publish without adjustment. Click on the edit again. So we're going to launch the second one, which is this one. I think we forgot to name the ad set. So we're going to name the ad set, the ad level rather. So we call it viral ad. Remember the ad set, we named it viral. So this one should be called viral ad so that I can differentiate it. All right, so this is good. So click on publish.